Now the second part is once we're talking to the Telegram bot, we're going to type in /new bot, /new bot. And it's going to say, all right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. We'll call it AW Jonathan bot. AW Jonathan bot. Okay. We told it our bot's name. Choose a username. John's Great Bot 99. John's Great Bot. It has to end in the word BOT. Just John's Great Bot. Let's see if there's any conflict. Done. So now I have a URL. t.me, which is the Telegram shortener, t.me/JON's Great Bot. And then it gave me my API token. That's the reason I'm not showing this right now, is because there's secure credentials on here. So we've created our new bot and we have our API, our HTTP API access token. Great.